Hi, this is K8CPT with my friend Jeremy, KD8ZZJ, who is assembling the Alpha Full Metal Jacket Antenna for the first time. This is also his first bark activation. We had a lot of fun. I hope you enjoy the video. Attach your ground connection and then your NVIS wire. Running your NVIS wire and your ground wire, they should be opposing each other. The signal will go towards your ground wire. We made some contacts and we had a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, 7-3.